Hey guys, it's Corey from CorySurvival. I'm here with some other guys, but they're already up the trail a little bit ways. I just wanted to film that map back there. It is gorgeous outside today. We are camping over at Horsethief. It's a little lake campground. I'm with Thack and Brenda from AOK Foraging and Adventures. So might have to go back and say hi to them. But let's see what's all on this trail. Hope you guys like today. Hey, it's gorgeous back here. There's Kira. And Jacob's over there. In a little cave. Is that the cave you were talking about? No? Yeah, look at the stream down there. That's pretty. Very pretty. The trail's a little wet here. Let's see. Try and go this way. Oh heck, there's still snow. See that snow back there? You see the ice, dude? Oh, it's really pretty today. Blue skies. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Really good day. A lot of rock climbing here. It's very pretty up here.
Right now,
tying your shoes.
everything's getting greener.
Oh yeah. I mean, nothing's quite started sprouting like leaf-wise, but you see that birch. Ooh. Yeah, this is pretty. Look up that way. Yeah, thanks to Thack for letting me use a selfie stick. It's actually way more stable than carrying my tripod. So this is pretty. We're up here with Jamie and then one of Kira's friends too. Her name is, I think, Natalie. But yeah, that is just gorgeous. This is a cool little cave.
Sit. Can you sit for Mama? Can you sit for Mama? On your butt. Can you sit? Can you sit on your butt?
Hello.
No, honey. Hello. On your butt. All the way on your butt.
Yeah, cool little cave in the rock there. right? We'll show you what's down there, guys. It's a pretty waterfall, little cave underneath the hills and stuff, so. Yeah, look at this pretty waterfall. Still ice and stuff in here. It's crazy. Right? Well, this is really pretty. Very, very gorgeous. You can see there's a little cave in here. But Jacob climbed down right here, and then I went around this way. But very cool. Alrighty. So there's a ton of people walking on this trail here, so we're gonna take a little bit of a off-road detour here and see what's off trail. Go and kind of explore and venture off elsewhere. Oh, that is a cool boulder. Look at that. Just a random rock on top of that other rock there. A big one. That's cool. It just rolls over on top of you. Now Jacob is up there. You can see him moving around there in the corner. That's funny. Oh, this is cool. Some rocks up there on that hill. Very cool. There's the other end of this rock. Super cool. Looks like it's just balancing there.
I'm sorry.
Get a view on this side. Oh, this is neat. Very cool. Cute little stream. Very cute little stream. We're just right above where that waterfall was. We came back down to the trail since all the people kind of cleared out. I think they're hiking to Harney Peak, which is the highest elevation in the highest point of elevation in South Dakota. So yeah, this is pretty. Let's keep going on the trail and see what's up ahead here. Check out that monolith. It's huge. It's another one that's a little bit taller on this side. That's so cool. Wow.
We're heading straight for it.
Yeah, heading right to it. Look at this cute little bridge. That's cool. Oh wow. Oh, that's so cool. There's Jacob. Let's see what Jacob's up to. That's very pretty in there. That's cool, dude. This is really cool.
Are you filming?
This is very cool.
This is all crystallized, Corey.
Yeah, this is all quartz rock. Like, look at this piece here. That's cool. This is very cool. Wow. Oh, this is really cool. Try and get across here. There we go. Couldn't get my footing. A lot of this is pretty eroded out. It's very pretty back here. Definitely a pretty good workout, I'd have to say. I'm falling behind because it's so pretty, I gotta film everything. This is... Sorry, oh, there's sunlight. No, you guys can see that. Yeah, that's really pretty. Especially over there. Very pretty. Jacob's up there, chilling, talking to the birds. Yeah, look at this monolith. Oh, that's cool. It's very cool. Oh, I gotta go check out what Kira's doing. This looks pretty neat. Hey, got a nice little hangout. Huh. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Very pretty. Wow. This is pretty neat.
It's a niche block. That's pretty neat.
This is cool. Very cool.
I found the cave.
Yeah. This is neat.
Real deal.
Okay guys, so I think we're just gonna stop here. We're gonna head back to the campground and see what Thack and Brenda are up to. And yeah, we'll see you when we get back to the lake. Alright, this is the bridge that we're camping by. There's the lake. Kinda get a little bit around here. Gorgeous day. Really gorgeous day. But we're heading back to the campground. I know Thack and Brenda are fishing. I saw them on the shoreline as I was walking back. Entering campground sites. For camper use only. Alright, we'll see you back at the campground. Alright guys, we're back at the camp spot. Thack and Brenda are fishing down there. Got a nice fire going. Tents set up. They have hammocks. Let's see what they're doing. You guys get any luck? Yeah?
And then I went and rinsed it off and it took off.
Oh.
For hers, we had to go ahead and just back them.
Gotcha. Oh.
And hers was bigger too. Yeah, I was like, all right, nice. And then, yeah.
Jeez.
It got away.
Oh, it's getting gorgeous out here.
Mm-hmm.
Really pretty. Alright guys, I will leave Thack and Brenda's description down below. AOK Foraging and Adventures. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. I'd love to have you guys do that. Go ahead and leave a comment for me. That'd be awesome. Keeps me motivated. Then if you guys are into this type of thing, I do hiking, camping, fishing, anything like that, anything outdoors. I do stuff like that at least once a week, try to. If you're into that type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. Love to have you guys a part of my community, and as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.